cumin egg cucumber roast casserole, or cumin egg cucumber roast, or cumin egg cucumber bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cucumber recipes, and one of the most unique of the boiled egg recipes, and one of the most different of the egg casserole recipes, and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes, one of the most delicious of the egg roast recipes. Today we're going to make cumin egg cucumber casserole. We have taken around 100 grams of cucumber, peeled and cut into pieces, 2 eggs which we have boiled and taken off the shell, a spoon of chili powder, a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, a spoon of cumin seeds, and salt to taste. Around 15 grams of garlic, 15 grams of ginger, 1 green chili, 20 to 25 shallots, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds. Casserole, and let them cumin seeds get heated until the smell comes out of them. Put in the ginger and the garlic, Saute. Keep on sauteing. Put in the onion pieces, the shallots, saute the onion and the shallots together. The rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Until the onions and the shallots become golden in color. Put in salt to taste, salt, keep on sauteing. turmeric powder, and chili powder, salt, and thoroughly. Putting the cucumber piece, salt thoroughly. Now putting the egg, boiled egg, thoroughly salt and mix. Putting the tomato piece, mixing the tomato piece. Thoroughly mixing the tomato piece. Squash the tomato pieces. Two hundred to 300 ml water. Mix. Close and cook for 20-25 minutes. Open. Put in green chili, salt, and close and cook for a minute. Now the cumin, egg, cucumber roast casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Cumin, egg, cucumber roast casserole, or cumin, egg, cucumber roast, or cumin, egg, cucumber bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the cucumber recipes and one of the most delicious of the boiled egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg roast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification button.